May we hear the loudest shout from our elementary learners. Elementary. What about the secondary? Dili na dyan dapita. Asa na ang ditong dapita? Again, from our secondary learners. Of course, from the private schools. Meron tayo from the private schools? Ayan. So, my courtesy to the city mayor, ably represented by the very beautiful Councilor Sena Campos. Ang beautiful, parisan din na siya. Of course, by the very gorgeous Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Willie Bandolon. The equally beautiful coordinators of our DSPC, Dr. Gina Silvestre of English, and Dr. Michelle Disola of Filipino. Our school heads from Mati South District, saan kayo? Kaunti na lang sila. The school heads from Mati Central District, saan kayo? Andyan pa rin sila. And our school heads from Mati North District. Ayan. Our education program supervisors, umalis na dahil tatlo are members of the Beads and Awards Committee. Andito na lang si Sir Bayong and si Sir Bochok, our division focal for the Festival of Talents. Sir Bochok. And sa lahat ng mga teachers, the coaches, and our evaluators and speakers who were earlier introduced. Ng mga learners as well, maraming salamat for coming and for hearing to his call. Okay, before the calendar year 2025 will end, more the curtain falls for 2025, we cannot let this year pass without conducting the 2026, actually 2026 na ito, Division Festival of Talents and the 2026 Division Schools Press Conference. Dahil itong dalawa are the flagship programs of our schools division. Sa ating mga coaches, teachers, thank you so much for the guidance. The guidance which has become the foundation upon which the dreams of our learners are built. If I may share, ito ang pinaka-ambisyon ko na hindi natupad, to become a broadcaster. Ito talaga, gusto ko talaga maging broadcaster, to become a journalist. Alam nito mag-cover of mga events na magdagandagan, that's what I really wanted to do. Pero fate did not allow. Because my father was really negative at that time sa mga journalists. Kasi ang feelings ng mga journalists was really very prevalent at that time. So sabi niya, mag-teacher ka! So, yun. Kumuha ako ng teacher. Actually, nag-enroll na ako sa one of the prestigious schools sa Cebu City, sa St. Teresa's College. That was the only school offering journalism in the Visayas. So nag-enroll ako, I took the 4th period up, pero before I enrolled, I received a call from my father. Hindi ka pwede mag-enroll sa SEC. Go to University of San Carlos and enroll education. So yun, nag-18 English ako and then got 18 units education. Para lang matupad talaga. Kasi really want to be like a journalist and actor woman. Pero wala. Pero sige lang. At least natupad. Dahil teacher ako, natupad dahil sa mga students. So sa ating mga learners, this is not just a competition. This is beyond the competition because it is the best avenue for all of you to be showcasing your talents and skills, both journalism and festival of talents, para maipakita na this is your level best in producing a very good one sa performance task ninyo. For 11 months, from January to November, you have learned all this knowledge from your teachers, and this is the best avenue for you to be showcasing those talents. So sa lahat, continue to soar high. Sa ating mga teachers, continue to guide our learners, enhance the skills of our learners to their fullest potential. And this avenue is also for us to know who will compete in the 2026 Regional Festival of Talents and Regional Schools Press Conference in January 26, 27, and 28 of 2026. So our dear learners, our dear coaches, sa lahat ng mga students, let us continue to support each other para sa mga bata. After all, we do this not only for ourselves, but we do this for the most critical clients who we serve every day, our learners. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, and let's continue from day 1 ngayon hanggang day 4 on the 27th, the conduct of the 2026 Division Festival of Talents and Division Schools Press Conference. Thank you very much.